Hey, so we came out a little unprepared. She took hers off. She got me looking crazy, but we got our sunglasses on and we up before the sun. So hey,
it's a little cloudy today, but guess what? We going on a trip in a little rocket ship.
So we're headed to Celestún. We're going to go see some flamingos, man. We've been hearing about these pink flamingos and this pink water.
So we about to go see if it's really true and if they really there. And we're gonna take y'all with us. So as always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.
And make sure you hit that bell.
From D-Town to H-Town, you know that I got you, girl. Know that I'm gonna love you forever. It's my town and your town. Now that we're here, we gon' build this empire together. When you smile, I smile. As long as I got you, I'm gon' make sure that you smile forever. You're too down, I'm so proud. No matter the weather, we gon' pull through the storms together. You're my queen and I'm your king. You're my love, my everything. You have my heart and yours with me. I'm feeling like it's destiny.
Alright y'all, so we just got to the beach in Celestún and it's so beautiful. I'm about to turn the camera around so you can see it. Let me just say, take this mask off just for a second. Let me just say that I did not expect Celestún to be this beautiful. I really thought we was gonna come out here and see some brownish looking water, but I didn't expect this. That's why my mind is just blown, like mind blown emoji, for real. Who knew? Who knew? Let me go back over here with Sam. But for real, who knew? Drone is up.
Yeah, it is up.
It is up.
And it's stuck.
It's up and it's stuck. Where is it? It's all the way up there, y'all.
It's right here.
Where? Oh. Bro, come see this water. Yeah, give me this. Look at the boat, guys. Look at it.
What's up, guys? So
All
what we're doing currently is relaxing. We're on the beach, got our toes in the sand.
And what you hear in the background is the drone.
Which is
Sam must have lost the drone. He looking crazy, trying to figure out You lost it, babe? He's talking about no, he did. He lost it.
It should be coming.
Did you lose it for a second?
No, the controller froze because my phone too hot.
Oh.
I have to make that bitch auto return to home.
Alright, y'all, so we're headed to another spot. Our driver Miguel said that he knows another spot that's even better than where we was at. So we're in the car just on this long road headed there. So we'll see y'all when we get there.
Yeah.
To see this.
Is this it? I wouldn't.
What flag is that? Is that Great Britain?
This is it? ¿Está aquí?
No, vamos por acá. It's
Been back there before. Cars back here. Prohibido El Paso. So private property. About to talk to this man. Oh, they got air conditioners.
wait here. Wait here.
So?
Man, I don't know where the hell this boy taking us. But listen, me and Miguel gonna have an issue. This better be the most beautiful beach I've ever seen in my damn life.
We literally been
Riding down the fucking dirt road for like 30 minutes, bro. It makes no sense.
This is somewhere that Miguel insisted that we see. He was like, you have to see this. So we've been riding and we like, Miguel, how long it's gonna take us to get there? He's like, oh, just 10 minutes, 10 minutes.
And if you look at Miguel, he out here talking to somebody because he don't know where the hell he at. He about to get in and tell us a good little story. Let's see what he talking about.
What's up, Miguel?
No, es privado.
Privado.
Privado, sí.
It's a private.
Sí, yo quería
Okay.
entrar a la playa de este lado, pero vamos a entrar un poquito más aquí, así.
Sí.
Okay, no problem. Let's go to Centro.
Sí.
Well, we've reached the end of our journey. If you guys stayed the entire video, we really appreciate it. But if you can't tell, it's hot as hell in Mexico. In general, it's hot as hell in Mexico and it's time to get indoors.
Yeah.
It's a little too late to be out here moving around and grooving.
So Celestún was very nice. We're still at Centro right now. We're gonna walk around a little bit more, but we obviously did not see any flamingos today. We'll have to do that on our next trip. But Centro area and the beach is very nice. So you definitely gotta come see it if you're interested. All right, y'all, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.
Make sure you hit that bell so you don't miss no upcoming videos.
And until next time, peace.